Here's how to print using the EZScreen Starter Kit. Laid out here is the Starter Kit Plus. The Plus Kit includes an exposure light for use when you can't expose using the sunlight, as well as a pack of plastic frames. All of the starter kits include a plastic canvas for drying your stencils, 2 EZScreen stencils, as well as 2 test pieces, a washout brush and a 2-inch squeegee, an exposure board unit used for exposing the stencils, as well as 2 inkjet or laser transparencies depending on your printer. To get started, take a transparency with your design side facing up and place it on the black foam board. In subdued lighting, take out an EZScreen stencil, peel off the plastic covering, and place it shiny side down onto your transparency. Then flip it around so the transparency is on top, and then clip the clear acrylic board together with the binder clips provided. Once clipped, set it outside in direct sunlight for 60 seconds or under an exposure light for about 15 minutes. Once it's done exposing, peel the transparency away. You should have kind of a ghost image, and take the stencil and let it soak in a tub or sink full of cool water for about 10 minutes or until the emulsion starts to dissolve and come up away from the stencil. Use the washout brush to brush away the emulsion, and then take the stencil out of the water and place it on the plastic canvas to dry. I like to put paper towels underneath the plastic canvas and then also use paper towels on top to dab up some of the extra water. Set the stencil back outside in sunlight or under the exposure light to finish the stencil. To start printing, place something sturdy inside of your shirt or behind the fabric to prevent bleeding, and then place a plastic frame onto the shirt. Tape the stencil to the frame shiny side up using some masking tape. Once the stencil is secured, flip it around so that the shiny side is touching the shirt, and then secure the frame into place, making sure that it is centered. Using fabric ink, apply color to the stencil, and then use the squeegee to firmly push the ink through the stencil, doing smooth long strokes. Peel the tape off the frame, and then reveal your print. Let the ink dry. You can use a heat gun or a hairdryer to help it along, and then iron the shirt on the hottest setting the material can handle for 3 to 5 minutes. Refrain from washing for 1 week, and then the shirt will be wash and dryer safe. Happy printing!